Okay, so we got it inside. I'm going to try filming with one hand and opening with another to see what's inside here. Let's see. What we got? Everything's wrapped in blankets. Let's see if it's still cool. My big concern was yeah, this stuff here, it's unfortunately it's wet and it's warm, which is fine for all this produce. I don't see that being a problem, but let's see the bread. I think we got cheese in here, and that's going to be a bit of a concern. Hey, everything's wet. Yeah, so in here we've got water. It's warm. Here's our chow cheese. Yeah, everything. It looks like it was packaged properly, but since it sat in a truck overnight, everything got wet. Everything got warm. You know, can't even see the. You can see, look, everything fell off. What a mess. What a mess. Yeah, this is their some kind of slimy liquid there. Yeah, that's not even supposed to be out. Wow, that is a mess. It looks like this is broken, whatever it is, because that's not water. That's like some kind of slimy substance. So, yep, very unfortunate, but yep, that's our first experience. So let me wash my hands off and put away the stuff that didn't get that, whatever that stuff is, all over it, that chemical. Alright, so make a video, send this to Imperfect Foods.